Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nilakhi. If you have seen my previous video, you would know that I have just started my YouTube channel and I've just posted one video a couple of days ago. So while I was trying to create my channel, as in I was trying to change my profile picture or update my profile picture and my channel art, I realized that if you do not have a desktop or a laptop, it is a tricky situation. All right. So I really struggled with that. It took me long to do that. So that's the reason I thought, why not make this video? So whoever is trying to create a YouTube channel and wants to update the profile picture and the channel art, you can learn from this. So let's start with that then. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is you need to close your YouTube application. Your YouTube application should not be running on your phone when you're doing this. So once you have closed your YouTube application, you need to open Chrome browser. So once you open Chrome browser, you need to type the link youtube.com and you will get the link below. So just click on it and it will take you to the same interface. It will look like how it looks when you use YouTube on your phone, right? But we need to change that. So if you look carefully on the top right hand corner, you will see these three dots. So if you click on the three dots, it'll give you a drop down and there will be an option called desktop view. So if you click on desktop view, the entire interface will change. It will look like how it looks on a desktop. So if you have done that, okay. So next, what you need to do is you must be on the home page now. So towards the right hand corner, you will see a circle. Around a circle, you will see just next to the notification bell. So if you have a profile picture, it will be visible. If you do not have a profile picture, that space will be blank. So you just need to click on that. You will get a drop down where you have an option which says your channel. So you need to click on your channel. Once you click on your channel, it will take you to the page where you can update your profile picture and your channel art. So updating the profile picture is very easy, guys. You just need to click on it and it will ask you to choose a picture from your computer. So that is your phone. So you can select that picture. Just you have to click on that, browse, select the picture you like and you can update it. The tricky part is the channel art, guys. So it looks like, oh, you can just click on it and you can just update any picture you like. That's not the case, guys. You need to have the right size of the image needs to have the right size. So it will only take an image which has 2058 into 1152 resolution. So that is width is 2058 and height is 1152. So most of the pictures you will have in your phone will be a low resolution. Even if you download an image from Google, it will still not have the exact resolution. So what you need to do is you will need to resize that image. So how do you do that? I will show you how you can do that. So I use the app PicsArt to resize images. So I would highly recommend this because it is not a paid app, it's a free app. You can use it. I think if you want to do something like some more changes, you might need to buy it, but like simple things like resizing and all that, you can actually do it on PicsArt. So just choose the image that you want to use on PicsArt. You will get that plus sign. When you open PicsArt, you will have a plus sign right at the middle. So click on that. It will ask you to choose the image that you like. So just go and choose the image that you like. Okay. So towards the bottom, the second icon, if you see, it says tools on PicsArt. If you click on that, you can see an icon which says resize. So if you click on that, you can actually change the size of the image. So you can put whatever size you want, 2048 and 1152, and you save that image to your gallery. Once you have done that is when you can use that image as your channel art. So you can go back to your YouTube on Chrome, click on that. It will ask you to select a picture from your computer. Select that picture which you had resized, use that computer and upload it, and then it will work. Okay, so hope this has been helpful for you guys, because I was struggling with this. I thought, why not make a video so that others can find some ways to understand how to do it. Hope you like this video. So if you like the video, do not forget to like the video and please subscribe to my channel. So until I see you again, bye.